Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to create PowerPoint presentations for free using one of the best AI PowerPoint makers. The tool I will introduce requires no design skills and allows you to produce high quality PowerPoint slides in just a few minutes. Sounds interesting? Right. Without further ado, let's dive in and learn how to create stunning PowerPoint presentation using Tenorshare AI Slides. Tenorshare AI Slides is an innovative AI-powered tool designed to generate professional presentations in seconds. It provides free templates and a host of advanced features, including automatic slide generation. With this, you can create PowerPoint slides with minimal effort and export your presentations in various formats such as PowerPoint, files, PDFs or images. And you can create slides in multiple languages. The innovative interface and advanced features make Tenorshare AI Slides a game changer for anyone looking to create impactful presentations quickly and easily. Here is how you can create a PowerPoint presentation using Tenorshare AI Slides. Check out the link in the description to visit the official Tenorshare AI Slides website. Once there, click on Try for free to access the AI-powered tools. The main dashboard has several options. Generate slides. With this, you can start creating a new presentation, recycle bin, access deleted slides for recovery, and templates. Choose from a variety of designs for your presentations. We will focus on Generate Slides option for now. Tenorshare AI Slides gives you two ways to start. Single prompt, type one sentence about what your presentation is about and the tool will do the rest. And existing notes. If you have already written notes or an outline, you can paste them here. For this example, I will use the single prompt option. After choosing single prompt, the tool asks for a few details. Now it's time to tell the tool what your presentation is about. For this demonstration, I will make a presentation on social media marketing. Choose how many slides you want. You can pick up to 30 slides. For this example, I will pick 7 slides. Choose the language you want. I will select English. After typing the topic, click Generate Outline. Within seconds, the tool will show an outline for your slides. This outline is like a list of ideas that will go into your presentation to make the slides just the way you want. For example, amount of text. Choose if you want the text to be short, medium or detailed. And choose the tone of the text. Pick how the text should sound, professional, casual or creative. And tell the tool who will be watching your presentation. I will choose students. If everything looks good, you can move to the next step. Now it's time to make your presentation look pretty. The tool shows you lots of templates to choose from. These templates decide how your slides will look, like their color, fonts and style. Pick the one you like and then click confirm. Within seconds, your PowerPoint slides will be ready. The slides will include your text, pictures and the design you picked. Once your slides are ready, you can save them to your computer. The tool gives you 3 options. PowerPoint file, it's great if you want to edit the slides later. PDF file, perfect for sharing with others. Image, save each slides as a picture. For this demo, I will export my presentation as a PowerPoint file. Click export and in a few seconds, the file will be ready to download. Open the file and you will see your complete presentation. While the free version of Tenorshare AI Slides is fantastic, there is also a premium version. The premium version gives you access to advanced templates and extra tools for even better presentations. You can check out the pricing plans on their website if you are interested. Tenorshare AI Slides is an amazing tool that makes creating PowerPoint presentations super easy. Whether you are working on a school project, a report, or just want to make something cool, this tool is perfect for the job. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.